Photo! Oh, many of you! Please? Please? Fine, but I'll only allow one of you.
When two started his own show, and little did he know, his stomach started growling in the middle of it.
Wait, why are we doing cake and steak?
Don't worry, I'll remind you. Last time, 59,151 voters voted on these 26 newbies, so that one of them could join you 40 other people in getting a So let's get started. If you got the most votes, you get to join. Get this purple tomato. Everyone got at least 200 votes.
That's good to know.
Just
You're right.
Here! Now you can tell them how thankful you are!
Oh, okay. Thank you so much, Gaming Aiden, Weber Gaming, Maurice
Hurry
View,
up.
Cabsocky, Broken, _Baker Bakey, the Alpha Force, Balloons, Team
I
6,
said hurry up.
and Rootsy Dane. Whew. Okay.
You finished?
Yep.
Okay, bye-bye then. Now, let's see who else won't be joining the game. Shampoo, you only got 240 votes, so you're out too.
240? I want to thank my voters, too. Kids Review Toys. AZ
Nope, stop
Plays. Zoopeka.
Sinky, Sizzy, and Drummy, none of you made the cut.
Hey, I make cuts all the time.
Shelly, Mikey, and Clappy?
Looks like it's
Looks like it's curtains.